The boy who hated reading. David is a boy. He is 10 years old. He lives in a small city. David likes to play football. David likes to eat pizza. David likes to sleep. But David does not like to read. I hate books, he says. Books are boring. At school, his teacher says, David, read this story. David frowns. Do I have to? Yes, says the teacher. Reading is important. One day, David's class visits the school library. The library is big and quiet. Books are everywhere. David walks in slowly. He looks around. Too many books, he says. His teacher says, pick any book you like. David walks to a shelf. He touches one book. Then another. Then another. Then he sees a small blue book with a picture of a dragon. He picks it up. The title says, The Dragon's Secret. He opens the book. He sees pictures. The dragon has big green eyes. The words are short and easy. He sits down and reads one page. Then another. And another. David reads 5 pages. Then he stops. He looks around. I am reading, he thinks. And I like it. The bell rings. Time is up. David stands up and goes to the teacher. Can I borrow this book? The teacher smiles. Yes, of course. David takes the book home. That evening, David sits on the floor. He opens the book again. The dragon flies in the sky. The dragon finds a magic rock. The dragon helps a little boy. David forgets the time. Dinner, his mom says. Wait. David says. The dragon is flying. His mom laughs. Wow. You are reading. Yes. It is a great book. At school, David goes to the library again. He returns the book. Then he looks for another book. He sees one with a spaceship. He sees one with a dog. He sees one with a boy who can fly. He takes a book with a lion on the cover. He sits down and starts reading. His teacher walks by. You are reading again? Yes, says David. I think? I like books now. Now, David reads every day. He reads in the morning. He reads at night. He reads stories. He reads facts. He reads about animals and space. Sometimes he reads to his little sister. Sometimes he reads to his cat. One day, the teacher says, write your own story. David thinks. He writes. The dragon comes back. A story by David. The dragon is now old. But he is not weak. He flies again. He finds a baby dragon. He teaches the baby dragon to fly. The teacher reads the story. This is amazing, she says. Did you really write this? Yes, says David. Books gave me the idea. David now loves books. He tells his friends, try one story. Just one. Maybe you will like it. He tells his mom, can we go to the city library on Saturday? He tells his teacher, I want to write more stories. David is no longer the boy who hates reading. He is the boy who loves stories. And one day, he wants to write a book of his own.